Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Temple Run dimension. That's right, guys. We're going to be running through a lot of temples, guys. Hopefully, we don't meet up with no mommies, because I know everybody has a mommy, but I just don't like meeting up with mommies, unless they're like semi-hot or something. Then I might want to meet up with them, guys. But let's go ahead and head on into this dimension. What you're going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 10 blocks of gold. You want to place 2 of them, just like that. Then you're going to need fur yellow wool. You want to place 1 of those on each side of your 2 gold blocks. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on up, and then you want to place 1, 2, 3 blocks of gold, and then 1 yellow wool on top. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on down, and do the exact same thing on this side. So 3 gold blocks, and then 2 gold blocks in the middle, and then 1 yellow wool on top. Now you can go ahead, jump on down, and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, take your flint and steel, and boom, light this sucker up. And also make sure to hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up button, because I know you love these kind of videos, guys. But now you just want to go ahead, wait, not too soon. Now you just want to go ahead and head on into this dimension. Hopefully this loads up quick, guys. Hopefully this loads up quick, and I am not a senior. Wow, guys, I'm a senior, but that did load up pretty quick, guys. That did load up pretty quick. But now it's time to go ahead and head on through this dimension. This must be like level 10 that I'm at right now, guys. It feels pretty good to be at level 10. Don't it, pig? Oh, you want to race me, bro? You want to race me to the finish line, bro? I'm totally gonna kick your butt. Oh my god, he actually made it. I wanted to push him off, guys, and watch him drop to his death, but he actually jumped over, which was pretty cool, guys. But let's go ahead and try to make it to the end of this, guys. Wow, this is some serious parkour, guys. I'm not that good at parkour. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm kind of rubbish, but let's go ahead and try to make it anyways, guys. Hopefully I can make all these jumps. I feel like they kind of give you a way to cheat, because if you wanted to, you could just go up on the banister. It didn't say anything about not going up on the banister, so maybe they would like you just to do this. Maybe, guys, because like I said, it didn't say anything about doing this. I mean, I kind of feel like it is cheating, though, so I'm not going to do it unless, like, the parkour's, like, really hard, guys, because then you kind of have to do it. But we're at level 30 already, guys, and where's my pig? Where's he at? Wow, look at him. He's nowhere to be found, guys, because he's not even as fast as us. He's not even as good as us. But let's go ahead and head on through here, guys. Oh my god, I'm stuck right now. I cannot believe this. Alright, now let's go ahead and try to make this jump. That wasn't even that bad of a jump, to be honest, guys. But let's go ahead and try to make it through her. Hopefully we do not fall, guys. I'm trying to focus. It's really hard to do parkour and talk, but I'm trying to do it right now, guys. I'm trying to do it, and I'm not only trying to do it, but I'm trying to do it epic, guys, because I do everything epic. You know how it is. The epic squad's on point, guys. Like, we're all epic. So that's just the way it is. And if you want to be epic and keep being epic, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up button, guys, because I know you guys all want to be epic, and you guys all want to be, you know, Smooth Marky lovers. So just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up button, because I'm about to make this jump, guys. Actually, I just went over the railing because, you know, jumps are for losers, to be honest. Even though I just did a jump right there, guys, I'm kind of contradicting myself. But let's go ahead. We're on level 70. We're almost to the finish line, guys. I would really like to see what's at the finish line. Hopefully there's a golden pig, guys. That's what I'm really hoping for, guys, is a golden pig. So hopefully this does pay off, guys, and hopefully I do not fall to my death, because that would be really sad and really disappointing, and I'd be really mad. So let's just go ahead and keep climbing. Oh my god, no, I'm falling! Are you serious? Are you freaking serious? Wow, I cannot believe that, guys. I am so angry right now. I'm so angry at myself because I was using the railings. I shouldn't have been doing it. They knew I was going to do it. They knew I was going to cheat, guys. And wow, I cannot believe this happened. But we are going to respawn, guys. We're going to respawn. Alright, guys, we're back. I'm going to do this the right way this time, guys. I cannot believe that happened to us last time. That was absolutely crazy. That was absolutely madness, guys. So let's go ahead and try to make it to the end and see what it is. And we're at level 90. This is the end. And oh my god! The winning prize is Herobrine's head? Are you serious? I don't want this. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blow it up with TNT, guys. I'm going to blow his head up with some TNT, guys. Did you see how fast I moved right there, guys? Like, I was super quick, guys. But now we're going to do it, guys. Hopefully, this is a massive explosion. Oh, my God. Is that my pig down there? Whoa. Whoa, guys. It sent me flying down here. Look at that explosion up there, guys. That was an absolutely massive explosion. And I guess the pig did eventually beat us. Wow, that is amazing, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.